Hey, good morning, Bob. Brandon Crawley here at Tameron Honda. I want to thank you so much for your interest in the good-looking 2019 Honda CRVs. As you can see, I've got a few of them sitting right here beside me, even more back in the back. All you got to do is come on by, pick out which one you want. We're going to make it a very easy buying process for you. Now, almost all of my CRVs are going to come with the Honda Sensing package, the lane keep assist, the adaptive cruise control, hookups for Android Auto, backup camera, Bluetooth, more features than what I can tell you in one short little video. So do not miss out. Call or come by today. My number is 205-415-1134, but the best thing you can do, come by and see me today, 1675 Montgomery Highway, right here in the heart of Hoover, Alabama, and just a mile north of the River Chase Galleria. Now again, I'm Brandon Crawley. I'm going to be your Honda specialist here at Tameron Honda. And at Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.